What's going on, guys? Nick Lesagore here, Exit 12 Homebrew in the house, in the basement, in the brewery of Exit 12 Brewery. I'm getting ready to keg the Saison yeast experiment that Brandon and I took part in for BrewTubers Online Brewers Club. Go to www.brewtubers.com to find out more. It's a really good time. It's the second of 3 yeast experiments. We're really excited, but that's not why I'm here. The reason why I'm here is because I'm doing, I think, my very first unboxing video, official unboxing video. And I'm gonna do an unboxing on getting a package from our most recent sponsor in the BrewTubers Online Brewers Club called Brewing America. They specialize in hydrometers for home brewers, and I grabbed a couple, so I figure why not open them up and show them to you folks. I placed the order 4 days ago, and it's already here. I grabbed 2 hydrometers. I grabbed some glass holders that they go in as well, and these are the best hydrometers on the market right now. There's no doubt about it. Guys in our homebrew club have already started buying them, reporting back awesome things. They really like them. They're easy to read. They have a specific mash hydrometer that I purchased that I'm really excited about, where it's calibrated to 155 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can take an accurate, on point, on time reading of the mash. How cool is that? I've never heard of a hydrometer that does that. Maybe there are those out there. I've never heard of it, so I'm really excited. So let's crack into these 2 packages. Interesting, they came in 2 different packages. All right, look at this. Beautiful blue packaging. I don't know if you can see that, so I'll get up close. And what I really enjoy about this specific packaging is how easy it is to open. You just pop this thing right open, take the top off. It's in beautiful, beautiful bubble wrap, which I can appreciate. Take this apart. Oh, what a cool looking hydrometer. I'll have to get that up close. Awesome stuff. They have a nice little cleaning towel here, I believe. And a nice little coupon, 15% off my next order. That's pretty sweet. Awesome stuff. They've given us quite a bit of promotional material here. They also do mason jar products for like cold brew coffee, which is really cool. And you can kind of experiment adding your own things to the coffee to make it more flavorful. They do distilling hydrometers, which is really cool, brewing. And then they also do specialty hydrometers for maple syrup, which is pretty crazy. Really awesome. And then there's a user manual here. Pop this thing open. I'm so pumped to use these. Oh yeah. Oh, this thing's heavy duty. Yeah, I'm gonna show this to the camera real quick. Oh yeah, look at this thing. Brewing America. Really nice, high quality glass. You can feel it here, the measurements here, which is really cool. They do bricks as well as they do percent sugar by weight, and then they do the specific gravity, which is pretty cool. Really excited about this. Nice little logo on the side. And you can tell this thing's got some serious weight to it, which I can appreciate. Really, really cool. Let's get into the second package here. Like I said, 2 different packages, which is interesting. And I have a feeling that this isn't the entire order, but this is a nice little preview into what it is these folks at Brewing America do. Same thing with packaging. I bought 2, so I get 2 15% off coupons. This thing open. Oh yeah. So the best way to tell the mash hydrometer from the regular hydrometer is that, I don't know don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it says 60 degrees Fahrenheit right there. Specific gravity at 60 degrees Fahrenheit. And then here, for the mashing, they let you know specific gravity at 155 degrees. Really easy, simple to read. Awesome, awesome stuff. I also have some glass tubing coming, glass flasks or whatever these are called. And here is the Pro Series glass hydrometer test jar. Check this bad boy out. Kabang. I love the color of blue on these boxes. I really do. Fun fact, my favorite color is blue. I love this like dark midnight blue. That's what our brewery logo would have been. Unfortunately, the town I'm from, which is the name of the brewery, our home brewery, the colors are green, black, and white, and silver, I believe. So we had to go with green. Oh yeah, look at this thing. Oh, we got a nice little, I didn't even know that we got a little brushy brush, which is pretty cool. You get a brush with the purchase of the glass test tube. Another cleaning rag. Oh, this thing is awesome. Check this out. Back it up. What a nice cylinder here. This is nice heavy duty glass too. Nice little Brewing America logo on the bottom. No type of markings or anything that would make it difficult for you to read the hydrometer. How awesome is that? I'm gonna grab the hydrometer here. I'm gonna grab a flask, an older flask, just to show you the difference. So these are the same size, pretty much. But if you look, the plastic hydrometer tube is significantly wider. 125 milliliters to 210, which is a big difference, especially when you're taking a sample. And this is glass, so I don't have to worry about it maybe melting, getting warped. If I take a sample from my mash hydrometer, and it's got a sneaky little end piece here, a little funnel piece that'll be easier to pour out the sample. You know, it's the little things. Upgrading your brewery to better quality products and being able to do it at an affordable price. You know, it was probably 20 bucks or so, 15 bucks or whatever it is for the Pro Series test jar, and then the glass hydrometer was about 25. You can't beat it. Really great quality products. I'm super excited. I have two of these, one of these coming that I'm really excited about. That'll be so much easier to take measurements, to read the measurements rather, and also the big difference from Brewing America with their glass holders. One, this is plastic. Both of these are plastic, but also, you see how this one is just, look at the use on this thing. Just plastic is, I mean, this thing's gotten beaten up. I can't read anything in this. They only require 125 milliliters. How cool is that? So you're using less wort by almost double, and you're getting a cleaner reading in a glass tube, and it's going to be more accurate because you have the better hydrometer, right? Checking out, this is the one I used to use, and this is the Brewing America one I will be using. Really cool. You know, they're similarly weighed, but you can just feel the glass on the Brewing America hydrometer is thicker. You know, it's better quality. You can just feel it. So this is the difference. So I'm ready to throw out my old hydrometers. Yeah, overall, I'm really excited. I can't wait for the next brew day to use these. Really, they came very quick. Quick delivery, 4-day turnaround time, which is awesome. Free shipping. And these hydrometers were only about 25, 30 bucks. And over $26, I believe, is free shipping as well, which is awesome. So it got here in 4 days. It was free. I'm supporting a local to United States company. They're in Oregon. Veteran owned. I mean, it doesn't get better. I'm all about supporting local, and they made the financial contribution to the Homebrew Club, and I'm really excited about it. I'm excited to have them as a sponsor in the club. So don't hesitate, go over to www.brewingamerica.com and check out some of their products. They don't just do hydrometers for beer. As I mentioned, if you're a distiller, you can grab one of those. If you're into making maple syrup, maybe you live on a farm like Dwight Schrute, and maybe you're making your own maple syrup, plug in that, throw the plug in the tree, grab some sap out, take a measurement. I don't even know if that's the process. Regardless, do it, who cares? And they do some awesome stuff with iced coffee, you know, homebrew coffee as well. Things you can hold it in and infuse it with and things like that. So they don't just do hydrometers, they do a ton of stuff. So go on brewingamerica.com and check them out. Huge thanks to the folks at Brewing America for these hydrometers. I mean, I did pay for them, but huge thanks to them for sponsoring the club and for making what looks like a really awesome product. I will be using these moving forward for sure, and I can't wait to use that mashing hydrometer.